Well, you've made it to the end of the workshop. I hope you've learned something new, and dare I say interesting today. I'll attempt to sum up fairly quickly. Economists frame all decisions in terms of trade-offs. When facing a decision, estimating the relevant costs and benefits and comparing them is a non-trivial exercise which requires many assumptions. Risk cannot be eliminated, and many of the choices we make not only involve risk, but a trade-off between different types of risk. Policymakers should use all available data to inform decision-making, but in many cases, the path forward is not clear-cut. Nevertheless, the government has an important role to play in encouraging the development of new technologies and in regulating their use. Thank you for attending this workshop. I hope you'll take time to leave us some feedback. And if you have questions, please ask. You can contact me at the email address provided.